Black seed oil is derived from the seeds of Nigella Sativa, a flowering plant native to the Middle East. It's been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, and it's gained attention in recent years for its potential health benefits. We're going to discuss 5 key health benefits from taking black seed oil. So the first is its anti-inflammatory effects. Now, black seed oil contains thymoquinone, which has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is linked to a variety of chronic conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. By reducing inflammation, black seed oil may help to prevent or treat those conditions. Black seed oil has antioxidant properties. Now, black seed oil is rich in antioxidants which help to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that can damage cells and contribute towards the development of chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. By reducing free radical damage, black seed oil may help to prevent or slow the progression of these conditions. Black seed oil is considered to be a good supplement for immune system support. Now, black seed oil has been shown to boost the immune system by increasing the activity of immune cells, and this may help to prevent infections and improve overall health. Studies have shown that black seed oil can help lower cholesterol levels. Black seed oil has been shown to lower levels of LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while increasing levels of good cholesterol, which is called HDL. High levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides are risk factors for heart disease, so reducing these levels may help to prevent heart disease. The 5th health benefit of black seed oil is that it has anti-cancer properties. So some studies have suggested that black seed oil may have anti-cancer properties. There is more research that is needed in this area to confirm those findings, but thymoquinone, which we mentioned before, has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in laboratory studies, and some animal studies have suggested that black seed oil may help to prevent or treat certain types of cancer. So we've made it to the end of the video. Leave a 100 emoji if you've made it all the way to the end. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you do have any questions about black seed oil, write them in the comment section below, and thank you very much for watching.